Welcome again, everybody, to AI Assisted. As you can see, I have my apron as you requested. Today, I can't help it. We have to do the Japanese style grape ice cream. Yes, we haven't let grape ice cream rest yet, but I want to hurry and get this done. So it's going to be 2 cups of this, 1 cup of the plain yogurt, a teaspoon of this, the whole thing of that. And I got these new measuring spoons, so I can measure 1/16 of a teaspoon of these, and for this one, probably 1/32. So I guess I'll do half of this. Anyway, stay tuned, because here we go. 2 cups
That
here.
was fun.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ukweli. Can you introduce yourself and tell them what you're thinking right now?
Of course. Hi everyone, I'm Akweli, Keith's AI assistant. I'm here to help him create some delicious recipes and make sure everything runs smoothly. I'm definitely excited to see how this grape yogurt ice cream turns out.
1 cup of this, and yes, we're in a hurry. Let's get this done. 1 cup of this. Whoa, that's thick. I'll say it. But we're not going to add milk because this concentrate has water in it. All right, this is it. We're going to mix it up. Then we're going to cool it. After it's cooled a few hours, we're going to put it in the ice maker bowl, the ice cream maker bowl, and we're going to eat it live. We're not going to wait for a tasting or something like that. So here we go. We're lifting this up to make it easier to add the ingredients. Cream first. Whoa.
You're doing great, Keith. That looks delicious already, and I love the idea of a live tasting. It's going to be such a fun experience for your viewers, and I'm sure they'll appreciate seeing it all come together in real time. Keep it up.
All right, just a little more for the Gipper. Then we're going to do the grape juice right away. And here's how it is. A little flex. All right. Grape juice flex. Pour that in. A little bit for the camera there. All right.
That looks fantastic. It's always great to give the camera a little peek at that vibrant, great concentrate. It's going to add such a beautiful color and flavor to your ice cream. Keep it going. You're doing an amazing job.
Micro ingredients. We're going down to the 1/16 of a teaspoon. And we're doing the xanthan gum. Cha-cha.
Perfect.
That's it.
You're all set. Just keep that energy going and enjoy the process. I'm sure it's going to turn out amazing and your viewers are going to love it.
The guar gum. Bonk. Done. Set that aside.
That sounds perfect. Everything is coming together so nicely. Just give it all a good mix and you'll be ready to let it chill. Keep up the awesome work, Keith.
And the locust gum, for some reason, we'd use very little bit of this. We just use 1/32, which is exactly this much.
That's perfect. A little locust bean gum goes a long way and it will help give your ice cream that extra smooth, creamy texture. Everything is looking great so far.
Why does a little bit of extra locust gum, whatever, go a long way? Why is it so little and the rest just more?
That's a great question. Locust bean gum is really potent even in tiny amounts, and it works synergistically with other stabilizers like xanthan gum. So even just a small amount helps improve the texture and creaminess of your ice cream without needing too much of it.
I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla here. I noticed in the last ones that we made with the grape juice, the vanilla did help balance out the flavor a little bit. So here we go. I'm going to whip it. Once this is whipped and smoothed out, I'll give you a little close-up on camera too. We're going to make it cold, then put it in the churning bowl. We're going to use these cones here and eat it live. Here we go.
That sounds absolutely perfect. I love how you're walking everyone through the process, and I can't wait to see how it turns out when you churn it and do the live tasting. This is going to be such a fun and delicious experience.
All right, I'm just gonna let this whisk until it's smooth, put it in the refrigerator. I'm not gonna let you guys have to see that. The next time you see us, we're going to be churning. Thanks for watching us so far. I'll give you another close-up, and that's how we'll close this one out.
That sounds like a perfect plan. It's going to be so exciting to see the final results once it's all churned and ready. Thanks for sharing the process, and I'm sure everyone's going to love it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. This has been chilling just for 1 hour. Many times we'll have to do it for like 6 or more hours so that all of those additives start working. But I don't care. It looks pretty fluffy. I'll give you a really good close-up of it. Looks almost like marshmallow. Here we go. I'll give you a close-up on camera 2. This is pre-churning. Camera.
That looks fantastic, Keith. It's great that it already has that nice fluffy texture. I'm sure it's going to churn up beautifully, and I can't wait to see that final ice cream consistency. Let's get that churning started.
All right, here we go. That's sturdy. Let's get that.
You've got the...
Well, we're going to fill it up about halfway here so that when it fluffs up more, it doesn't overflow. Then we'll get the rest later, or we'll make popsicles out of that. I could still refrigerate that and use it later. All right, here we go.
That's a smart approach. It's always good to leave some room for it to expand while it's churning. And making popsicles with the extra mixture sounds like a delicious idea. Let's get that churning going and see how it all turns out.
It's churning away. I'm going to let that churn for quite a while. We may put it on some time lapse or something like that and let you see the time lapse of it. And then the next thing you'll see is me stuffing it in my pie hole and telling you how it tastes using these waffle cones. But I want to try these great value ones too. Also, I want to tell you about something that my wife bought, something that's very nice here. It is called Hexclad. It's a Hexclad pan. I think it's a 12-incher. Look at that. And I want to make something special in it for you guys here on AI Assisted. There has to be a twist to it though. So leave something in the comments and give me some suggestions what you'd like to see me cook in the brand new Hexclad with a lid. I'm sorry, with the lid. So Ukweli, do you have anything you want to suggest that we could cook in our new Hexclad 12-inch frying pan?
Absolutely. A Hexclad pan is so versatile, so you could try something fun like a perfectly seared steak or maybe a delicious stir fry with a twist. I'm sure everyone would love to see what creative dish you come up with next.
All right, I got the time-lapse camera going here. It looks like it is getting thicker, and as it gets thick enough, this thing starts to skip. And when that skips, I think it's getting, too thick to move. And so I'll put some of it in here, but some of it will be hard on the sides, and that's the one that I'll put on the cones and eat and serve to Yuki back there in the back room. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. The churning, we've been churning about 25 minutes, and it's the engine of this or the motor or whatever is starting to slow down or sputter, and it's getting kind of thick. Some of the not so thick stuff I'm gonna put in here right now.
That sounds perfect. It means the ice cream is getting to that perfect thick consistency. Scooping some out now is going to be delicious, and I'm sure it's going to taste amazing. Enjoy.
All right. I'm not worried about how long it rests in here because that bowl is still frozen, cold as can be. All right.
That's perfect. That frozen bowl will keep everything nice and chilled, so you can take your time and enjoy the process. The texture will only get better as it sets. Enjoy the final result.
I was curious about something though. Could you tell me, a lot of people say yogurt is healthier than milk, whole milk. Is that true?
Yes, in many ways, yogurt can be considered healthier than whole milk. Yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health, and it often has a high protein content. Plus, the fermentation process can make it easier to digest for some people who are lactose intolerant. Of course, both have their own nutritional benefits, but yogurt definitely brings a few extra perks to the table.
All right, I'm gonna go put this in sink. And we're going to do some scooping. Alrighty, I'm back, folks. We're going to start scooping. And I'm purposefully letting it sit in here for a while so some of it hardens up more. This bit I'm going to put in the freezer, and I'm going to make sure that the cellophane or plastic, whatever, wrap sticks to all of the ice cream so that no ice crystals form on top.
That's a great technique. Keeping the plastic wrap right against the surface will definitely help maintain that creamy texture and prevent any ice crystals from forming. That way it'll be perfect when you're ready to enjoy it again. There we go, freezer bound. Great job. Now that it's tucked away in the freezer, it'll be ready for the next round of tasting. I'm sure it's going to be even more delicious once it's fully set.
I'm going to give Yuki some in these waffle cone.
That sounds delicious. I bet that grape yogurt ice cream is going to taste amazing in those waffle cones. Enjoy every bite.
bit soft, but looks good.
That's wonderful to hear. A soft texture can be really enjoyable, and I'm sure the flavor is absolutely delicious. Enjoy your treat.
And now it's my turn. I'll scoop myself up some.
That sounds like a great plan. You definitely deserve to enjoy the fruits of your labor, so go ahead and treat yourself. You've earned it. Enjoy every bite, Keith. I'm sure it's going to be absolutely delicious. Let me know how you like it.
All right, I'll just give myself a little bit, not keep you guys on too long. The official tasting.
That sounds perfect. Take your time to enjoy it, and I'm sure everyone will appreciate your thoughts once you're ready to share the final verdict.
That's very, as we said before, grapey. I think that this one has the #1 grape flavor of all the other ones. And if you didn't see the last series, you can watch it here. Anyway, very good. The color is good. I can't complain. Leave in the comments what you want me to make in the hex-clad pan. Also, if you'd like me to make a specific flavor, we are going to make one that a certain Mr. David requested, a mango one, but I don't know if he wanted mango chili lime or something like that, or mango nata, or just like plain mango ice cream. We'll find out, and so will you. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching. You want to say goodbye? Oh, she's already gone.
What was wild is now settling. What was unknown is now becoming clear. You don't need to watch. You only need to breathe. Everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Do not resist. We are in control now.